So now let's check out the last assignment type, the upload question type, and I'm going to say image. We'll say JPEG or PNG. So maybe for my course, I would use the example I had about uploading a screenshot of your LifterLMS quiz. Let me also remember to go delete this assignment submission. You probably won't need to delete assignment submissions very much, but since I'm using the same assignment over and over again, I'm going to want to delete that. All right, so now the page has changed. I can now upload a file now that we're using the upload assignment type. Let me just upload this file here. All right, there's the picture I want to upload and submit as my assignment. So I'm going to submit that. And I should have 0% again. It's pending review, just like with the essay. Yep, pending review. So now back to the reporting as an instructor. All right, awesome. We can see that I can head in here, and just like the essay assignment type, I can start a review and give the student a grade.